Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made this really pretty wall mirror using items that I already had and some that I purchased from Dollar Tree. So if you're interested, just keep watching. For this project, I used one of the Dollar Tree 8-inch round mirrors, some of the silver plastic mini spoons, some of the mirrors and gemstones that I had. I purchased these from Michael's, and some E6000, my Gorilla Glue sticks and glue gun. I have the complete list of what I used down in the description box. So the first thing I did was remove the mirror and the cardboard from its frame, and I gave the frame a coat of my Rust-Oleum spray paint. While that dried, I prepared my spoon design. If you watched my last wall mirror video, then you know I had a lot of these handles left over from that project. For the additional spoons needed, I simply popped the spoon from the handles by hand. Once I had all of the handles needed, I used my hot glue gun to attach 4 of the handles together. I simply laid the first handle down, added hot glue to the back of the second, and then glued that one to the curve on my first spoon. I continued until I had all 4 of the handles glued on top of each other. Because I had so many of the handles already from previous projects, I only had to purchase a few additional packs. However, to complete this project from the Dollar Tree supplies, you'd have to purchase 21 packs of the spoons. So I would recommend that you instead purchase them in bulk from someplace like Costco, Sam's, or Amazon. Once my frame was dry, I used my E6000 and hot glue to attach the handles around the edges of my frame. I alternated between gluing the spoon handles across the entire frame and then one right on the edge. I'll show you what that looks like up close in just a second. I pressed firmly around my design to make sure that my spoons were as flat as possible, and then I allowed my design to dry overnight. Unfortunately, the next day when I picked up my design, several of the handles fell off, so I had to quickly come up with a solution to save my project. I decided to add the other part of my spoon around the mirror to add an additional connection point between the handles and the frame. I added additional hot glue to add as many connection points as possible. I let that glue dry for about 10 minutes and then I turned my design back over and re-glued down the handles that had fallen off. This time, not only did I use the glue to connect the handle to the frame, but also to the top of the spoons that I added as well. This gave me 2 connection points instead of 1 and made the design much stronger. As you can see, me and these spoons had trust issues, so I added additional hot glue wherever I felt it was needed, and then I used my E6000 and hot glue to attach my mirror and my cardboard back to the original frame. Once that dried, I was very happy with the sturdiness of my design, but I wasn't happy with the fact that I could see those spoon tops through my design, so I decided to add the small mirrors and the gemstones to hide that imperfection. To complete the project, I cleaned my mirrors and I removed as many of the glue strings as possible, and here was my finished look. This mirror did take some time to put together, but I was glad I was able to save it because it turned out beautiful. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. And be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, guys, bye.